In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here in my Google Docs, I have some pages, page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and page number 8. And I want to start page numbering from page 3. Keep your cursor on upper right corner and then click on Insert tab. Go to Break and click on Selection Break, next page, and look, one page is blank here and you will find another 2 pages on the upper side. Keep your cursor on the same position and then click on Insert tab again. Now go to page numbers and you can select any page number orientation from here. I am selecting upper right corner and look, the page number is added. I am increasing the size so that you can understand, and also change the color. And look here, you will find header section 2 and in upper side header section 1 and page 2 also header section 1 and page 1 also header section 1. But in my page 3 you will find header section 2 and here you will find an option here, link to previous page, and it's selected. That deselect it. Now the page number is removed here, but in the upper side you will find the page number. Go to the header section 2 and click on options here and then click on page numbers. Here this section 2 is selected and position is header, and here you will find under numbering start at, and 1 is selected. Select start at and then click on apply and look, the page number is added again. I am selecting it and increasing the size, changing the color, and you can change the alignment. Select the page number and click on 3 dot icon. Click on the drop down menu on alignment and I am selecting the right alignment, and look here, page 1 from page 3 and 2, 3, and accordingly 4, 5, 6. But here before page number 3 you will find the page number 1, 2, and 3. Here double click on the page number and then press delete button to remove the page number. The page number is removed from here, header section 1, but look, in page 2 there is no page number, and in blank page there is no page number, and you will find page number starting from page 3. If you want to remove this blank page, just keep your cursor on the blank page and press delete button once. Look, the page is not deleted, and then press backspace once and look, the blank page is also deleted and the page number started with the page 3 and the first two pages has no page numbers. This is the easiest way to start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.